guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my Flagstaff home. I'm going to show you today how to make a really pretty version of an avocado toast, taking your avocado and kind of molding it into a flower. And so this is a nice little way that you could treat a friend that you're having over for lunch, or just treat yourself, especially in these quarantine times. You might as well take your time to do something kind of fun for yourself. So I'm going to walk you through this with pictures. You're going to need an avocado, some whole wheat toast. You can really put a lot of different things on it, but in this video, I'm showing you that I used a radish, alfalfa sprouts, sunflower seeds, some olive oil, and then you need a kind of chunky salt. So you could use sea salt, but I used a Malden salt, which is a heavy flake salt, and avocado really needs salt to make it taste the way it should, to make it taste its best. So those are the things you're going to need. Okay, let me tell you how to do this. While you're toasting your bread, you're going to take your avocado, cut it in half, and then scoop it out of the shell with a spoon. Then you're going to cut very thin slices, as you can see here. And then you're going to take it and kind of start to spread the slices apart. You want them to be sticking together though. And then you're going to start curling the end on one end, just very slowly and carefully. And if the little slices start to come apart, just push them back together. Start to curl them very slowly, and then you can even at some point start curling the other edge around until it forms a flower. There it is. So then after that, you're going to take your radishes, sliced radishes, and arrange them on the bread like you see here. Then I scooped up the flour by just kind of sliding a knife underneath it and then set it on top of that. And then you can add things like alfalfa sprouts and sunflower seeds. And then you put a drizzle of olive oil over the top and then add that chunky salt. And that is all you have to do. And you get this pretty thing here, a little bulky to eat, but so good and such a nice treat. So I hope you'll give it a try. And just a little tip, if you're going to have these sitting out, like say friends are coming over and it's going to be sitting out for a few minutes before it's going to be eaten and you don't want it to turn brown, then just take a little bit of lemon juice and just kind of squeeze a little lemon juice over the avocado, and it will keep it from turning brown. Thanks for watching my Flagstaff home. If you're not a current subscriber, just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon in the corner, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.